Guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So you guys, it is a day before Christmas and well I woke up craving shawarma and I was not in the mood to buy from outside, so I'm going to be making shawarma today. And I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna drive to Shoprite. I'm currently at Shoprite and I'm like, oh, you know what, you should totally film this. So that's why I'm filming this, you guys, and I'm bringing you guys along to shop with me. You guys, the crowd in Shoprite is something else. I don't know what I was expecting. I wrote a list, but there's the tendency to go beyond my list. So you guys, Shoprite is so full that I didn't even get a trolley. Like, I didn't even get a trolley. I need batteries. See, let me just stick to my list. Let's go and look for the tortilla wrap and move on. Let me buy what I'm not meant to buy. Biscuits. Okay, we need more of these, so I'm picking one. The tortilla wrap might be here. Not so sure. You guys, I just asked one of the attendants because I can't find. I checked the fridge and I couldn't find where the wrap was, so she's going to show me where it is. Oh, awesome! Thank you. Alrighty. Shawarma here we come. Shawarma here. Guys, your girl fought for this basket. So I saw this basket at first. I was wondering why nobody used this there. And I realized why. Then I saw this trolley lying around. Won't he do it, guys? Won't he do it? So guys, I've been looking for the normal kinds ketchup, but this is the one I found. I've not used it before. I don't know whether to get it or not, but let me just get it anyway. I swapped VLOGMAS for this because I just think this is more economical. Yeah, because of the size. Yeah, and the price. So you guys don't judge me. I went for things for shawarma, but then you guys, I've been looking for this particular bleach. There's a particular toilet bleach that I've been looking for. Now I'm going to look for right now. See all the things I ended up buying. Well, quite alright, these things are for shawarma, but then look at these. Well, we need tissues, and then I got these toilet bleach because it's really nice, and this to clean surfaces. You guys shouldn't judge me. My defense is that everything is needed. Yeah. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. Come to Shoprite a day before Christmas. Drama. We move, guys. No, I'm not eating all day. This tastes yum. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.